Hi everyone, it's Nelda. I hope you're all doing well. Thanks again for clicking this video and welcome back to my channel. I am here to show you my latest journal. I just completed this and this journal will be my affirmations and gratitude journal. In my past video, I shared why I journal and the benefits that I get from doing that. And I really believe that we have the God-given capability to create everything in our life that we want through the power of journaling and scripting our dreams. We can make vision boards, and again, we can make intention journals. And then of course, affirmations and gratitude is really very important. When we are grateful, we have more peace of mind and we have a happy heart. And remember, wealth is not just monetary. So I hope that you start journaling if you haven't yet. And the best way to start is to write down 5 things that we are grateful for every single day. I believe it was Aisha from Young's Paper Creations who mentioned in one of her videos the names of the famous people who journal. They were also the people who inspired me to start journaling and to keep writing. And great minds like Albert Einstein, Leonardo da Vinci, Picasso, Thomas Edison, they were great journalers. I even read an article about Benjamin Franklin, and he would ask himself, what good shall I do this day? And then at night, he would again ask himself, what good have I done today? And he would write. So he's a really great journaler too. Like you, I have so many dreams, so many goals, so many intentions. So I just write them down and I have faith and I trust and I believe and I expect them to come to pass. But of course, we still have to keep working hard towards everything that we want because they're not just gonna land on our lap, right? Okay, so let us go back to this affirmation and gratitude journal. The size of this journal is 9.5 by 6.25 inches. I did some stitching here and I decorated the cover with paper buttons. And this is the scrap from the punches. And then for the closure, I used the elastic and this really pretty button. And then I added this lace to make a pocket. And here are some tags and the envelope, and I typed some affirmations. This image here is from an old book. And this journal has a soft cover, beautiful fabric, and again, pocket in the back. So let's take a look inside. There's a pocket here, and then this bookmark is Prayer for Strength. This is from my shop, Purely Personal Gifts. I have a tag, and I typed in my affirmations, and this is a journaling card. I can write down my dreams. And then I added some blank index cards. Here's another paper button to decorate the inside. And the back has also a paper button here. This is the closure, just elastic. And then the base is just cardstock. There are a total of 144 inside pages in this journal, and I added pages from books. These are images from books, coffee stained paper, notebook pages, accounting pages. This is a tuck, and I made a bookmark from scrap paper. And so really simple pages. I did not embellish this because I will decorate and add more ephemeras and images as I journal. There are 3 signatures, and this journal lays flat, so it's easy to write. There are pockets here also, but I intend to use this journal to write down the things that I am grateful for and also my affirmations, so I didn't really decorate the pages. This week I have 5 journals that will be listed in my Etsy shop, similar to this journal. I am just trying to bind the signatures and embellish the pages a little bit, but they are coming, and they are not going to be pricey because it will only be 3 signatures, and they will be soft cover also. I'd like to take this opportunity also to thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for the nice comments, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. And I hope you start journaling also, because it really will make a difference in how you feel every day, and it will just give you so much joy because there are so many things to be thankful for. Like what Jim Rohn said, a life worth living is a life worth recording. And I truly believe that our life is worth living because we are beautiful children of God. Okay, so we are almost in the end of the journal. Again, there's a pocket here, some blank index cards, small paper for some notes, and this is again for journaling. And so this is my new affirmations and gratitude journal. I love this journal, and I'm so excited to start using it. I love the cover, and I hope you do too. So let me know what you think. Once again, thanks so much everyone for watching my video. Thanks so much for subscribing and for supporting my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. May our day be blessed with happiness and peace of mind. May we be free of all burdens, and let angels light our way. Have a beautiful, awesome day. God bless you. Bye now.